So my mum has made one of the dishes for today's iftar, which is, what is it?
Kofta curry.
Kofta curry. So she's going to show us what she's made. Look, amazing kofta curry. So we're having a Middle Eastern inspired iftar today. So she's made a kofta curry and each of us are kind of making a dish or two. And I'll show you the rest of it in a bit. My sister-in-law's making the chula buna today. She's added something extra. What have you added extra, Millie?
Potato.
And?
And tomato.
Oh, she's added extra tomatoes and potatoes today, so can't wait to eat that later. So I've shredded the chicken for the sambousas. Finely shredded, and what I'm going to do is make the pastry in a minute. And then I'm making a Turkish-style baba ganoush, or pepper and aubergines, a bit of tomatoes and onions. So these are just waiting to get baked in the oven, and then I'm going to put everything together. I'm making some syrup for shorbat or sharbat, which is a traditional drink in the Middle East, Central Asia, South Asia. I'm stirring this pot and feeling a little bit like a character out of Ertugrul from the drama I'm obsessed with. Anyone who knows me will know that I'm obsessed with Turkish serials and dramas, and Ertugrul is based on the life of Ertugrul Gazi, who is the founder of the Ottoman Empire. And I love anything to do with Turkish food, so this is a little tribute to Turkish cuisine that I love. They always seem to be stirring pots of shorbat or soup or something in those dramas. So I'm making one today with rose and some spices, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and I'll add some rose water to it as well. Listen to the rain. Just getting started on the sambusa to the sound of the rain. You can probably hear. I've got the pastry rolled out here, so I'm just doing them. We're doing about a dozen. Got the chicken that's shredded and cooked with the spices, etc. here, which I'm going to use for the filling, or which I have been using for the filling. And here they are, rolled out. I've made them into kind of crescent shapes, which is traditional, and we'll be frying them just before iftar. And this is the oven roasted peppers and aubergines, which I'm going to use for my kind of rustic Turkish baba ganoush, with added tomatoes and onions and herbs, garlic as well. So yeah, back to making pastry. my sister with her excellent knife skills. I'm the world's worst chopper, so you probably saw giant chunks of onion earlier. What are we making here?
Fattoush salad.
This is a mini salad, right?
Mini salad. I'm going to put a leaf in. That's going to be some leafy salad with Chinese leaf and mini cos leaf. Put half a lemon juice in there. I'm going to squeeze it in the jug for my dressing.
Yes, Jonah, my sister, is doing the dressing for the fattoush salad.
And then some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Right.
Sea salt. And I think you can add balsamic vinegar or pomegranate molasses, but Nuri broke my pomegranate
Okay, Nuri's our niece. Don't blame her for everything. So Mum's making the saffron pulao, which I was supposed to do, but we've enlisted her because hers is always the best. What have we got in the pan? Got some ghee, some whole spices. Should put some bay leaves in there now. And I think we're going to toast that and then add rice. That already looks amazing. This is our Middle Eastern inspired iftar today. So we've got fattoush salad here. This is chickpeas, chulabuna. Well, it's not technically Middle Eastern, but we always have this. We've got a Turkish inspired baba ganoush. This is Mum's kofta curry. And Mum's saffron pulao. We've got some caramelized onions and almonds on top. These are sambousa, which are like samosas, but Middle Eastern ones, with shredded chicken and onions and spices. Got a little yogurt dip with that shorbat that I said, or sharbat that I made earlier. And obviously some watermelon and dates. Ramadan isn't Ramadan without dates. Oh, and the last thing, we've got pudding, which is mahallabi, which I've made, Assyrian corn flour and milk pudding flavoured with rose water. Recipes in my cookbook. So guys, have a wonderful time for Iftar today, and I will see you next time. And if you haven't already, check out my other recipes. Please share and subscribe, and also check out my cookbook, Brick Lane Cookbook, which is linked below. See you next time.